Are you looking for inspiration to make your home look awesome?
In this channel, I create weekly DIY tutorials that will inspire you to design, to decorate, to improve your living space. In this video, I have 4 wonderful projects that includes both decor and function. Welcome to my channel.
I decided to transform this picture frame into an elegant tray. I found this gorgeous design paper at a local store in my city, but other materials can be used as well, such as wrapping paper, fabric, or your favorite artwork. I also needed scissors, pencil, and a ruler. First, I took it apart carefully, making sure I don't crack the glass. Then, I used the backing of the frame as template. I was happy to see that lengthwise, the paper was the right size. Measure twice before cutting, especially if it is a design paper. It will save you money and time. One of the benefits of using trays is reducing visual clutter. Before assembling it back together, I clean it well with a free lint cloth for a more professional finish. Now that it's finished, let's look at the final result. Voila! Doesn't it look great? For the second project, I decided to reuse my tin cans as food containers. I wrapped them with removable and washable wallpaper. I also designed and labeled each container. I also like my labels to match the decor. Which leads me to project number 3. When making labels, I prefer to use my computer. Not only I have more selection of fancy fonts, but I can also decide on the font size and review it before printing. I also like to print my labels on good quality cardstock. It is sturdy and easy to work with. Then I cut the labels to the desired size. For the background, I also use black cardstock with dimensions slightly larger than the labels. Then I cover each piece with clear packing tape, both the labels and the background. The use of clear tape protects and allows labels to be cleaned when necessary. I attached the labels to the black background with permanent adhesive tape. I also attach magnets in the back of the labels as in the video. You see? Instant attraction. The purpose of project number 4 is to cover the space on top of the laundry. The plan is to add a storage light and weight that looks as it is part of the structure. I used balsa wood in a cardboard box. Then I primed and painted with the same color as the door frame. The idea is not only to think out of the box, it is also thinking what to do with a box. Boxes can be practical storage items because they are very light in weight. To make it look more professional, I covered 3 sides of the outside box with detachable wallpaper. To make it look more aesthetic and add strength, I reinforced the inside of the box and the side walls with foam sheets. I intentionally left one side of the box without wallpaper, since the wood panel would cover it anyway. Then I attached the balsa wood panel on the side without the wallpaper, with the matching chrome pull. I'm pleased with the result. I think it looks great. What do you think? A final reveal on these projects.
I hope this video was useful to you. For more content, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to read your comments. Thanks for watching.